Ever wondered about what to include in your memory box? Today, we're diving deep into the top 10 items that can make your memory box a treasure trove of precious moments and experiences. Starting at number 10, we have personal mementos. These items are unique to you. They could be a lucky charm, a special gift, or even a childhood toy. These objects tell your story, and by keeping them, you're preserving your own history. Next, at number 9, consider adding any awards and certificates. These pieces of paper are more than just accolades. They're physical reminders of your accomplishments and milestones. Whether it's your diploma, a certificate of recognition, or a trophy from a competition, these items deserve a special place in your memory box. Moving on to number 8, jewelry. This includes pieces that hold sentimental value. It could be a family heirloom, a friendship bracelet, or a piece of jewelry that marks a significant life event like an engagement or graduation. At number 7, we have baby items. For parents, nothing is more precious than the early years of their children's lives. A lock of hair from their first haircut, a baby tooth, or their first pair of shoes can be heartwarming additions to your box. Coming in at number 6, journals. They are a window into your thoughts and experiences at a particular time. You might want to include a diary, a travel journal, or even a notebook filled with your favourite recipes. Halfway through our list, at number 5, we find artwork. This could be a sketch from a memorable trip, a painting made by a loved one, or a piece of art that simply brings you joy. Next, at number 4, souvenirs. These are items that remind you of places you've visited. It could be a postcard from a beloved city, a coin from a foreign country, or a keychain from a local landmark. At number 3, we have ticket stubs. They may seem insignificant, but these small pieces of paper can hold some of your most cherished memories. It could be a ticket from a concert of your favourite band, a movie you watched on a first date, or a boarding pass from an unforgettable trip. Almost at the top of our list, at number 2, letters. Letters from loved ones, handwritten notes, or cards from special occasions can be a touching addition to your memory box. And finally, at number 1, we have photographs. Nothing captures a moment quite like a picture. Photos from family gatherings, holidays, or candid moments can bring back a rush of memories with just a glance. And there you have it, the top 10 items to include in your memory box. Each item is a piece of your story, waiting to be discovered and remembered. So, don't wait. Start your memory box today and preserve your precious memories for years to come. And if you're thinking, this sounds great, but where do I find a memory box? Well, you're in luck. We've got you covered at Make Memento. Our shop offers a variety of handcrafted keepsake boxes, perfect for holding all these memories. They're not just any boxes, they're specially designed to keep your treasures safe and sound. Whether you're looking for something classic or a bit more personalised, we have plenty of options to choose from. Just head over to our website at makememento.com and pick out the perfect box for your memories. It's a simple and meaningful way to keep those precious moments close. Keep those special memories alive with a little help from us at Make Memento.